Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, I'm gonna show you simple steps to actually take to fix your wireless problem on your HP Pavilion Entertainment. This is the DV6 version. Now, this customer is saying that she is not able to connect to any Wi-Fi. Now, as you can see, guys, I don't know if you can see it, but when you look at the Wi-Fi signal section there, let's zoom it up a bit. Right, as you can see right there, it is actually showing you the red X. Now, this can mean a lot of things. It can mean that, of course, the Wi-Fi button is turned off. In terms of drivers problems, definitely it is not indicating that the drivers is missing, because once you're seeing that section there in terms of the those, some persons call it the mountain or the signal bar, that definitely mean that yes, the drivers is installed. So try to browse, not getting anything. Now, the first thing you need to check for is if the Wi-Fi is disabled or enabled. Now, with this model laptop here, we have the Wi-Fi button here. It is a touch, you just simply touch it. Wow, so as you can see, it is now blue up, so that simply means that that's actually what took place. As you can see, already start browsing. So the disadvantage with this laptop is that just a simple touch will actually disable it, simple touch enable it. So that's how you diagnose your Wi-Fi or your wireless problem on the HP Pavilion Entertainment. Again, the exact model, this one is the DV6, one of the DV6 version. In the description section of the video, I can definitely give you the exact model number itself. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Again, this is a channel for all your laptop repair, all your wireless configuration at home or small business. So thanks again, guys. Femitech is out of here.